Friends, welcome to my channel. This is a problem from GATE 2011, question number 30. The problem is about a two-cylinder four-stroke diesel engine develops 15 kilowatt power at 2400 rpm. Its brake specific fuel consumption is 0.268 kg per kilowatt per hour. If the specific gravity of the fuel is 0.85, quantity of fuel injected per cylinder per cycle in cubic meter is 0.028, 0.056, 0.033 and 0.065 into 10 to the minus 6. There is cubic meter per cylinder per cycle. Let us quickly solve this problem. This is one of the trickiest and simple problem. So let us solve. So in the diesel engine, generally the fuel is injected through the injector inside the cylinder. So if you see the fuel, this is the injector of the fuel injector, and this is connected with the cam and other things. So basically it's a two-cylinder engine. So four-stroke engine, the number of cylinders is 2. Therefore each stroke or each revolution there will be one injection, because in 2 revolution per cylinder there will be one injection. That means only the power stroke, before the power stroke there will be fuel will be injected. Therefore number of cylinders is given 2 and engine speed is given 2400 rpm. So let us calculate how much number of injection will be there per minute or per second. It's very simple. So number of fuel injection per hour, in this case it is asked. So because 2400 is the rpm, that is the revolution per minute, to multiply by 60, that will be per hour. And since each revolution there means each two revolution there will be one injection per cylinder, therefore 2 cylinders are there, therefore 2 and divided 2, they are cancelling each other, and number of fuel injection per hour will be 144,000 per hour. Now the total fuel consumption in 1 hour will be equal to, in kg we can calculate on the basis of volume or in the basis of weight. So in this case the specific fuel consumption is given, that is 0.268 kg per kilowatt per hour. In this case the engine power is 15 kilowatt. So basically for each kilowatt there will be 0.268 kg per hour consumption. So for 15 kilowatt there will be 4.02 kg per hour. This is the fuel consumption by the engine. So once you know the fuel consumption of the engine, specific gravity is known, so you can kg to cubic meter you can calculate. This specific gravity is compared to the water, so you can say it's very simple, that is the density of the specific gravity is given, that means the density of the fuel will be equal to same, that is 0.85 kg per liter. So kg per that means kg per 10 to the power minus 3 meter cube. So because 1 liter is 10 to the minus 3 cubic meter. So if you convert it into kg per liter or whatever, then the mass total fuel consumed in meter cube per hour will be equal to 4.02 kg per hour divided 0.85 into 10 to the 3 kg per cubic meter. So that will be 4.73 into 10 to the minus 3 meter cube per hour. So this is the volume of fuel per hour. So now this is already we calculate number of fuel injection per hour, and this is total number of total amount of fuel in cubic meter per hour. So it's now simple. So therefore the fuel injected per cycle per cylinder will be equal to 4. This is the weight of the volume of the fuel divided by the number of fuel injection per hour per cylinder. So because here actually cylinder is multiplied, so therefore it's per cycle per cylinder, that will be equal to 0.328 into 10 to the minus 6 cubic meter per cylinder per cycle. So this is the answer for this question. Hope you understand. Please like and subscribe to my channel. agricultural engineering online.